Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can fix flickering on your YouTube videos when you watch on YouTube. So let's get started and see how you can fix it. This works for every browser. It should be the same process. I will be showing for Google Chrome. But the process it should be almost the same for Mozilla Firefox. If you use Opera or Brave or other browsers. So the first thing that you have to find is this like three dots, or it can be like three lines. So you have to find this settings, something like here. It's usually here on the right corner, and then we're gonna go here on settings, and you should be find something like this: use graphics acceleration when available. You can type here, it can say like hardware acceleration, but as you can see they changed the name of it, so now it's acceleration. So you just type in acceleration and it should be somewhere here, graphics acceleration or hardware acceleration, and you just turn it off, and then you click on this relaunch, and the Google Chrome will relaunch, and then you can go ahead and test and see if it works now for YouTube videos, and it should be no longer be flickering on your videos. So that's pretty much it, how you can fix it. If you enjoyed this kind of content, don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.